make a really quick side dish. The reason this side dish is really great is because it cooks at the same temperature and the same amount of time that our main dish, our pot pie, is gonna use. And I wanted to show you this because the way we're roasting this broccoli is the same way you can roast any vegetable. You can use cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, pretty much anything. So what I'm doing here, you can apply to anything else that you make, or any kind of other roasted vegetable that you make here.
Awesome.
So let's both take a head of broccoli, and I want to show you how I like to get the florets off of it. It looks a little crazy, right? Like how do we do this? You hold the broccoli kind of upside down, like you hold it on its head like this,
Okay.
and then you just use your knife and you just kind of like shave down, and they just come off in perfect little florets like that. All right, so we cut up our broccoli, now we're just gonna throw it in the bag, and then what I like to do is, since it's already in a bag, I just season it in the bag. So we're gonna flavor up the broccoli the way you would flavor pizzas. Make it kind of like a spicy pizza broccoli. Put in a little bit of olive oil, some finely grated Parmesan cheese, and then some crushed red pepper flakes for a little bit of heat. All right, so I'm gonna grab this hot sheet tray out of the oven and dump all those vegetables right on top of this. And you can hear it sizzle.
Oh yeah.
Hear that? Spread these out a little bit, being careful not to touch the bottom. I'm gonna put it right on that top rack so it gets nice and brown. All right, so everything is in the oven. It's gonna be ready in 20 minutes. All right, Megan, the timer just went off, so we're ready to pull dinner out of the oven. Do you wanna go check it out?
Sounds good to me.
Let's do it. Give those a smell. Oh, it
So
smells like a
good.
pizza shop, doesn't it?
It does. It really does.
Yeah. And then we have our side of roasted vegetables that we may taste like pizza. Who's not gonna love that?
It has to be crazy not to.
And the best part about being the cook is you get to be the one who tastes it first. So let's take one of these old broccolis and give them a taste. They're a little hot, but
That's all right. So good.
isn't that yummy?
So good.
It literally does taste like pizza.
It like melts in your mouth.